Hey guys, what's up? It's Demolition Blow Up today. We're gonna do a bleach bomb. As you see from the title, it's bleach bomb. I can't really tell you all the ingredients. If you guys want me to do a how to create the bleach bomb, I can show you that on the next video. Just drop a comment down below and let me know. But for now, I'm just gonna show you what it does. Set this up right here so I can be fast about it. Yeah, it's foaming up already. It's causing a gas. I'm going to tell you what kind of gas it is, but then you would just learn how to make it real quick. That's the problem every time it wants to bust up real quick. I'm not able to get the lid on there. And this thing's very, very hot. Should be tightening.